This product's price does change often. Be sure and check out the link down below in the description to see what kind of price you can get for it. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this air pump. Now in this video, we're gonna talk a little bit about this air pump and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now this is the air pump right here. You'll notice in comparison to the size of my hand here, it is a pretty small unit, and I actually like that a lot. It's really easy to go ahead and pack around in my vehicle, but I wanted to show you here, we do have this tube here. This is where you'll go ahead and actually make the connection if you're inflating tires. You can go ahead and slide it on and then just push that down to lock it into place, and that works great for inflating tires. But they do also include other attachments. If maybe you need to inflate something else, you do have these other little attachments there, and also this little metal one here. This one is great for inflating sports equipment such as maybe a basketball or a football. Now one thing I wanted to mention about this right here is you'll notice there's another accessory here. We actually have a light built right into it. Now up here we have a screen here, and then we also have all of our different adjustment buttons. So if we want to go ahead and turn on that light button is right there, but you can go ahead and access all of your different adjustment buttons right there. Now I also wanted to show you one great feature about this is that it does connect into your vehicle via the cigarette lighter adapter here, but I wanted to show you that you will notice that this is a nice long cable here, and I love that about this. Especially it makes it a lot easier when I need to get access to the rear vehicle tires. It's much easier with that long cable. Now there's other little accessories like the fuse attachment and this little other adapter if you need it, but overall I've been really impressed with this air pump, and for that reason I would highly recommend it. Now make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.